Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make ginger pork, Buta no Shogayaki. I will show you the unusual tips how to make fried pork soft and juicy during the video, so please watch it till the end. This channel is for non-Japanese who want to challenge to cook Japanese food but don't know what or how to cook it. In my channel, you will find a lot of popular Japanese dishes with many realistic hands-on tips and secret recipes that you will not find it anywhere else in every single clip. Please subscribe to the channel before start. You will not be disappointed. So, let's get started. At first, shred cabbage thinly. Soak in cold water briefly. This process makes cabbage crisp and fresh, but don't soak too long. Drain the water by using a strainer. Slice vertically into 1/15 or 5 mm. Prepare a half-frozen pork loin chunk and slice it into 1/16 inch or 2 mm thick. If you go to an Asian supermarket, you can easily get sliced pork, but you can also freeze the pork halfway and slice it by yourself. Place the pork onto a plate and season them. Sprinkle peppers and pour 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey. By adding honey makes the pork soft and juicy. Finally, add half tablespoon of grated ginger and then stir and combine well. Add cut onion into the mixture and soak for 15 minutes. It makes the meat tender when we soak with onions. Cover with a wrap and let it sit for 15 minutes until cooked. Shogayaki is very popular and a staple not only for lunch but also home dinner. You can substitute with other meat of course, but the pork version is so much more popular that the term Shogayaki generally refers only to pork. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!